All right, Matt, thank you. Colorado Congresswoman Lauren Boebert is recovering today after having emergency surgery to remove a blood clot in her leg.
Her campaign announced she was admitted to UC Health Medical Center of the Rockies up in Loveland after experiencing some severe swelling in her leg. Kim Posey has more on the Congresswoman and her diagnosis.
Lauren Boebert was diagnosed with May-Thurner syndrome, something that impacts the blood flow. Now, about 30% of the population has this, but only a small number of those people actually develop a blood clot. Lauren Boebert's campaign says she had a successful surgery and is expected to make a full recovery. The Congresswoman's blood clot was removed and a stent was inserted after she was diagnosed with May-Thurner syndrome.
This patient did not have a blood clot.
Dr. Brooke Spencer is an interventional radiologist in Highlands Ranch who treats patients with this syndrome but has no connection to Boebert.
So what May-Thurner syndrome is a compression of that iliac vein by the artery between the spine.
She says some of those May-Thurner patients develop serious blood clots that need immediate attention.
People usually show up with signs of pain and swelling or blue discoloration in the leg, aching in the leg, sometimes in the groin. I see a lot of people think they have a hernia at first.
The cause of the syndrome is not fully understood, but doctors say women between 20 and 40 who have given birth are more likely to be affected.
If it's treated correctly and appropriately, most people can get back to a level where they may have some swelling intermittently throughout their life or have to wear a compression sock. They can usually get back to normal function pretty quickly.
On X, Boebert posted a note of thanks for all the support she's received and said, hoping to see you all back on the campaign trail soon. Her experience raising awareness. Now, Dr. Spencer says in order to minimize your risk of a blood clot, be sure to wear compression stockings, get up and walk around during long flights, and be sure to take breaks during drives. Kim Posey, Fox 31.